Hello again, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you this passion fruit cupcakes. Very easy recipe and it's really tasty. So yeah, last video I shared with you these ideas for party. So if you didn't watch the video, go ahead and watch it if you want. Very easy ideas. So today I'm gonna share with you the cupcakes as we continue on my daughter's birthday. So first thing I'm gonna do the curd. So I have here 3 egg yolks and 1 whole egg. I'm gonna add to it 65 grams of castor sugar and half lemon or half zest of lemon, zest of half a lemon and 65 grams of passion fruit puree. I got this one from Amazon. It's really nice. It smells really delicious, like passion fruit really. It's really good. Quality is really good as well. So I'll just mix them together on the glass bowl as you can see, and I'm gonna put them on a steaming hot water like this. So we're gonna continue medium heat. We're gonna continue stirring about 10 minutes. Continue stirring until it's all fluffy and delicious. So as you can see, after about 8 minutes it starts to become like this. So continue until 10 minutes. It's like creamy and delicious. So we take it away from the fire, and then I will add 50 grams of butter and just mix it again until the butter melts, and that's it really. You can do the same thing with if you want the lemon curd or any fruits really. It's really delicious and you can use it a lot of stuff. So I'm just gonna pass it through this just to make sure there is no cooked eggs or anything like that, just to make it as smooth as possible, and then cover it with a plastic paper or cling film, sorry, and just leave it to cool down completely. So we're leaving this one to cool down, as I said, and we're gonna go ahead and make the cupcakes now. Very easy recipe for the cupcakes. It tastes really nice by itself as well if you don't want to add all the extra stuff. So in a bowl we're gonna add 2 eggs. So this amount makes 12 cupcakes. So 2 eggs with 130 grams of sugar, like normal castor sugar. I will leave you the recipe written on the description box. So we're gonna mix it together. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Have 50 grams of passion fruit puree, the same one I used for the curd, and 85 grams of oil, just any vegetable oil or sunflower oil, and also I have 140 grams of plain yogurt. Just gonna mix it all together, and lastly we're gonna add the self-raising flour with the quarter of a teaspoon bicarbonate of soda. So the self-rising flour is 160 grams. So with the quarter of teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and that's it really. Just mixed it together just with a hand mixer. You don't even need to use electric mixer. And I have the cupcake cases ready. As you can see, the oven is 180 degrees. So just until they're nice and they bounce back. When you touch them, they bounce back and a little bit brown, and that's it. So I have this one to remove the middle of the cupcakes. If you don't have it, you can use the apple, you know, the apple that you remove the middle of the apple with, or you can use a spoon as well if you want. but this one is very easy. You just remove the middle. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the curd in the middle. For the cream, for the icing or cream, I just used vanilla cream. I just added double cream with the icing sugar and vanilla extract, and just mixed them together and just decorated it with a few sprinkles, purple sprinkles. So because I thought I made the I made the video of the cream when I was making it, but I didn't, so sorry about that. But it's just a simple cream really. As I said, the double cream and vanilla and the icing sugar, and I put a little bit of sprinkles on the top, and that's it really. Very easy recipe. As I said, I'm gonna leave you the ingredients in the description box. I hope you like this video, and I will see you again very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.